In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step comparison to see if Perplexity AI is better than ChatGPT for your specific needs. I'm starting here on a detailed guide that breaks down the core functional differences between these two popular AI platforms. As I scroll down to the key takeaways, it's clear that while both are conversational tools, they serve very different primary purposes. I can see that Perplexity is essentially an AI-powered search engine designed for information retrieval, while ChatGPT is a conversational assistant built for a wider range of creative and logic-based tasks. Looking at this comparison table, I noticed that Perplexity provides real-time web access and source citations as standard features. In contrast, ChatGPT's knowledge is often tied to a specific cutoff date, though it offers more detailed and conversational explanations. When I look at the specific strengths, Perplexity really stands out for its ability to pull the latest information from the web without needing any special plugins. It excels at automatic source citations, which allows me to verify facts quickly and dive deeper into the original material. On the other hand, ChatGPT offers incredible task versatility, making it perfect for brainstorming, tutoring, and complex coding. As I move to the final section, I can determine which is best for me based on the task at hand. If I need to conduct fact-checking or find information about current events, I'll choose Perplexity every time because its results are grounded in real-time web data and transparently sourced. However, for creative writing or interactive problem-solving, ChatGPT remains the stronger option due to its sophisticated language generation. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.